Every day, there are simple things we can all do to help children and teens succeed. Setting a good example, lending a hand, taking notice of a job well done. These small actions add up quickly to make a big difference. Fairfax County refers to these items as protective factors, and research has shown that children and teens who have 3 or more of these factors are more likely to develop healthy habits and less likely to show signs of stress or engage in risky behaviors. So whether you're a parent, a teacher, or a neighbor, here's what you can do. Be available to help. Recognize and praise good effort. Encourage participation in after-school activities. Communicate clear disapproval of drug and alcohol use. This extra bit of attention can leave a lasting impact.